Hola a todos y a todas. Hello, everybody. Now I want to show you it's arrived my mug. But it's here, arrived from New York, and this is the Edwin Salas production. And I make the unboxing. I think it's my first time I make this trending stuff, call it unboxing. And now you can watch the unboxing of my mug. You can put yourself. I see this on the shirt live on Saturday. That's really amazing. Check the box. Well, these are are and move house rock. Well, now these are really make this. Now time to open. And now this is the end box. And now we open. And we have this, ladies and gentlemen. Keep calm and make a puppet. Is the receipt and ready for to keep calm and make a puppet and take a coffee and tell them you want to support my work, you want to support my website and make free workshop on Friday on my YouTube channel. If you want to support me, you can buy this mug in the description of this video. Thank you so much for to watch this weird unbox, and thanks for support. If you want to support me too, I have the Patreon. If you make a Patreon this week, I can send you one mug after $10. If you make a Patreon after $10, I send you a free mug. Okay, thank you so much. I put the description in this video. We are the unboxing, and take care of your hands when you grind wood. Bye bye, and thanks for your support, and keep calm and make a puppet. Where is the button for the off this? Oh, it's here.